This video is for people that were absent the day we did Chapter 29, Practice 5. This was a lot about following directions, so you can't just copy it from somebody. You need to watch this video and follow directions. For part A and B, you just measure the angle. So we've done plenty of that practice. Put the vertex at the right place on the protractor, line up one side on one of the zeros, and measure angle A and B. For part C, at each dot, draw a normal. So you'd mark off the 90 degrees and use a straight edge to draw a dotted normal. And you'll do that for each one of these. So there'll be a normal coming down here, there'll be a normal coming down here, there'll be a normal coming down here. Each of them at exactly 90 degrees. Pause the video and do that. For D, you're going to draw a 34-degree angle that starts on the left side. So you would put your protractor where the vertex is going to be the very end of this line, because that's going to be the point of the angle that you're going to draw. So you're putting your protractor with the point at the end, mark off 34 degrees, and then draw a 34-degree angle. E, same thing, except it's a 14-degree angle. Lay your protractor so the vertex will be the very end of that line, mark off 14, and draw a 14-degree angle. When you're done, use your protractor and measure it and make sure it really is 14 degrees. F, same thing, except you're going from the right side. The vertex will be on the right end of that line. So mark off 41 degrees and draw a 41-degree angle. Pause the video until you catch up. And then part G, I drew the incident ray. We've done these before. You mark off a 90 degrees to draw a normal, exactly where the incident ray hits the mirror. Use a straight edge and draw a dotted normal. And then measure your angle of incidence. Remember, your angle of incidence will be here. I think that should be 24 degrees. And then on notes 3, we learned that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. If it comes in 24 degrees on this side of the normal, it's going to bounce off 24 degrees on that side of the normal. Exactly 24 degrees. So flip your protractor around and mark off 24 degrees on the other side of the normal. And draw the reflected ray. Don't just eyeball that, ever. You're always measuring the angle of incidence, and then the angle of reflection is the same. On the back, I'm going to have to make another video. I'll make another video to explain this, because there's going to be an additional step to this. We're actually going to form an image on this one.